Hello, welcome to Phyllis Review. Today I have another awesome product that I want to tell you about. So on today's review, we're going to be talking about AppJam. AppJam is software, kind of an all-in-one software that helps you to do a lot of things just for the price of one. So it saves you a lot of money, and it's just a one-time price. There's no subscription on it, or maybe monthly payment or something like that. So you want to know about this app, or it's really very awesome. So before we go ahead, if this is your first time of watching my video, please, as usual, kindly like, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification button so that all the tips and values, when I drop them on this channel, you'll be notified of them. I'm going to be showing you, taking you to my bonus page as well, because I have loads of bonuses that I have in case for anyone who wants to grab this AppJam through my link, which of course is below this video. So these bonuses are just specifically for you if you want to grab this product from my link. So if you get it anywhere else, you're not going to have access to this bonus. But if you think that these bonuses are kind of bonuses that will help you, or that you will need, or help you to move your business forward, I think you should consider grabbing AppJam through my link below this video. So let me just quickly take you to my bonus page and show you a couple of bonuses that I have for you. And before we now dive into telling you more about this awesome app, so you stick with me. Thank you very much. So this is exactly my bonus page for the app. That's my bonus page here. Of course, the link to this bonus page is below this video in the description. So it says AppJam. It says here, finally revealed, copy and paste our $87 a day system. It says newbie friendly, passive profit stream, commercial rights included. And of course, that's important notice here. This bonus page expires very soon. So if you click on this button, it takes you to the sales page for this awesome app. So what exactly is this AppJam all about? You may ask. It says it's an all-in-one app that saves thousands of monthly subscription costs. And so these are some of the things that this app can help you to achieve. And it's at a very low price, one-time price. It says it designs app, creates stunning images, stunning images, stock database with over thousands of copyright-free videos, image and vectors. So it saves thousands with AppJam autoresponder software as well. So it creates it's an autoresponder, so it helps you to also do email marketing. So it's an autoresponder. It creates stunning images. You can use it just like Canva. So it designs images, and so it's also a database of stock images and videos as well, just like say some of the other stock image websites like Pixabay, Pixabay, and a whole lot of them. So this one as well, AppJam has a lot of image database as well. So it's also kind of an autoresponder. It has a webinar system for creating webinars as well. It's also used for funnel building, so it's a funnel builder. It's also used for finding leads, so lead finder for any niche. It also serves as a storage drive, so it's a high quality storage drive. It creates stunning videos, Yeah, so it's a video creator as well, so it does a whole lot of things. So this app is really great. So instead of buying some of the software that does different software that will help you to do these things separately and spend a lot of money buying all of them, so it will be better you just get one app that does everything for you, so it saves you a lot of money. So that's what AppJam is all about. So, and of course it says backed by no question asked, 100% money back guarantee. Yes, so that's it. And so let me just quickly show you some of the bonuses that I have for anyone who gets this AppJam through the link below this video. So bonus number one, I have a course I'm giving free of charge for anyone who grabs this app through the link below this video. The first bonus I have is sorry for that. Yeah, the first one I have is how to build buyers lists, and then number two, of course, having a list is a very big asset. So especially if you're into affiliate marketing and some other businesses that actually make use of or anyone who is actually into email marketing. So of course, the money they say is in the list. So the bigger the size of your list, of course, the more money you will be able to make. So this course teaches you how to build your lists very fast. So I'm giving it out free of charge. And then the second one is how to use Instagram influencers. So I have a course that will teach you how to use Instagram influencers. So what this very tutorial does is that it teaches you step by step how you could qualify influencers on Instagram, influencers that have a very large following, and of course be able to contact them, and of course maybe negotiate with them for a little negotiate with them for, it's not going to be free, of course, so it helps you to qualify them in terms of telling you the number of followers they have, so that you know someone that will be able to help you advertise your whatever services or product that you have, and so throw them in front of his or her followers, so that they will be able to engage with whatever offer you have, and then of course help you to get a lot of traffic and sales as well. So even though it's not free of charge, you're gonna be able to negotiate with the whoever you choose as an influencer to market or advertise those products for you, and then you agree on a price with them. Of course, it's not going to be too expensive, and then whatever two of you agree on, and then you pay the person, and he or she would have your offer or services and on her page, so that followers will engage with those offers and get in contact with you. Of course, basically get you loads of traffic on whatever you want to sell. Yeah. And so then I have the insurgency. So insurgency teaches you how to get traffic from Facebook, social media, so Facebook as well. So yeah, so this is massive as well. And then I have this one that is another course that helps you, teaches you how to explode your YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm giving out that one as well as free of charge. And then of course bonuses from the vendor. So all my 4 bonuses, and of course the bonuses that the vendor, the person that had launched this product is giving out to people who buy these products, would also be given to you in addition to the bonuses that I have. So you will find all of them in the members area when you grab this product, AppJam, as I said. So of course, if you click on any of these yellow buttons on my bonus page, yeah, it takes you to the sales page. Of course, the link to this bonus page This is my bonus page. Yeah, so the link to this bonus page is below this video, so you click on it, it takes you to this my bonus page, where you'll find all these bonuses that I have as free of charge for anyone who gets this product. And then when you click on this place where it says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, it takes you right into the sales page here. So this sales page here, so we can't afford to do this again ever. Say finally revealed, copy and paste our $87 a day system. Says newbie friendly, passive profit system, commercial rights is included as well. Let me just recap all the things that the software can do for you. AppJam, so 8 in one app saves thousands in monthly subscription costs. So it's like 8 apps, just merged into one. So you're getting the 8 apps just for the price of one, basically. So what it does, it designs app. So it creates stunning images. It's a design app that creates stunning images. So that's what it does. Then it has a stock database with over 1,000 copyright-free videos, images, and vectors. It saves you thousands with AppJam autoresponder software. So that's the email marketing software. It has email marketing software as well. It's part of the software that's integrated into the system. Fully autonomous webinar system. It helps you to create webinar. High quality funnel builder. It helps you to create funnel as well. It's a funnel builder. Lead finder for any niche. So it helps you to find lead, maybe get traffic. High quality storage drive. So it's like a storage drive as well, just like your Google Drive or some of those cloud-based drives. So it has the ability to save all your documents and videos and stuff. So it's a storage drive. It creates stunning videos with it's a video creator as well. So with all the artificial intelligence, works on autopilot, starts earning as early as today, 100% money back guarantee. So guys, this AppJam is a great software. So you might find it very useful, in your business. So instead of spending money separately to buy some of these softwares individually, I think it will be make a lot of sense for you if you just get one app that does almost everything for you. So it's an autoresponder, it creates videos, it's a storage drive, it has image database, it's a funnel builder, it's a lead finder, it's an autoresponder, a whole lot of things, about 8 different things that the app does. So like 8 apps for the price of one. So that's a wonderful product, guys. The AppJam is awesome. So if you think you need it and you want to get it, just below this video is a link where you will that will take you right to my take you right to my bonus page, where you'll see all the bonuses that I have for anyone who wants to get this AppJam. So that's my review about this product today. It's not really, it's very straightforward. Just an awesome software. 8-in-1 software. Has about 8 different software just merged into one, and so you're paying for 8 of them just for the price of one. And so if you think it's something you want to check out,
we're just not being sure where to
start.
So
if you think it's something you would like to get, just below this video description, you see a link that will take you to my bonus page, where you see all the bonuses that I have there for
Now, before
anyone
I do,
who considers
did you ever notice how all
getting
the
this
newer
app
systems
through the
require
link
fancy
below
software
this
paid as a monthly
video,
subscription?
so that all the
This can
bonuses
really add
that
up to thousands of
I
dollars
package
every
especially
month.
for anyone
Funnel
who does that,
software,
you find them
video
delivered
creator,
to you automatically
webinars. The list goes
into
on and
the
on.
members area
This
when
is
you
why
log
I
in after
decided
getting
to
the
create
software.
AppJam.
So that is my
AppJam is a
review
collection
basically
of
for
8 of my
AppJam.
best-selling
AppJam is
products.
a very great,
It
it's a
creates
great
stunning
software.
videos with a
to have
video
told you
creator.
how
It has a
all
design
the
app
things
that
that it
creates
does,
stunning
eight
images,
different
a
things,
stock
that's
database
8
with hundreds
different
of thousands
apps,
of copyright-free
just,
videos, images, and vectors.
going for the price of
An
one.
inbuilt
So,
AppJam autoresponder
guys,
software.
I think
A fully autonomous
there's
webinar
not much
system.
to say about this
high-quality
app. It's
funnel
very
builder.
straightforward, very
A
easy
lead
and
finder
simple
for any
app.
niche. A high-quality
Drag and
storage
drop
drive.
app, very easy to
AppJam
use.
provides everything
so
you need to succeed in this
if you
business
think it's
without
something
having
you
to
would like
incur
to
huge monthly
give it a try,
subscriptions.
you go to the link
Other
below in the
marketers
video,
are already
which
earning
takes you
good
to the
income
bonus
using
page, and then
AppJam
from there to the
software.
sales page where
Now,
you get more
it's your
information
turn.
about it, and then
But you must hurry. The price is
if
going
it's
up
something you
all the
like,
time. So
grab
don't
it and
hesitate.
get all my bonuses.
Click the Buy
So,
Now button, and I'll see you on the
yeah,
inside.
so remember to like my video if this is your first time, and subscribe, and also hit the notification button as usual. And so that's basically my review for this product AppJam, and so I see you again, talk to you again basically in my next review. Bye bye, thanks.